everyone, welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 10 IT Information Technology. Chapter 4 Entrepreneurship and Careers. Questions and Answers. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Most of the successful entrepreneurs are innovative. B. The aim of an entrepreneur is to establish an enterprise, and the process of doing it is called entrepreneurship. C. Society provides a ready market to the entrepreneurs for the services or products they create or produce. D. Social entrepreneurship is an approach in which the entrepreneurs develop, fund and implement solutions to social, cultural and environmental problems. 2. Select the most suitable alternative. In which of the following entrepreneurship plays a crucial role? I. Economic growth. E. Employment generation. E. Both I and E. IV. None of these. Answer: E. Both I and E. B. Which of the following is a characteristic of an entrepreneur? I. Afraid to take risk. E. Gap in communication. E. Clear-minded. IV. None of these. Answer: E. Clear-minded. 3. Write short notes on roles of an entrepreneur. Answer: An entrepreneur identifies business opportunities, gathers resources, and takes risks to start and grow a business. They generate employment, create innovations, and help in economic development. B. Women entrepreneurship. Answer: Women entrepreneurship refers to businesses owned and operated by women. These entrepreneurs face challenges like societal pressure and limited funding, but they play a vital role in empowering women and promoting equality. C. Myths about entrepreneurship. Answer: Some common myths are: entrepreneurs are born, not made, you need a lot of money to start a business, and entrepreneurship is always risky. In reality, anyone can become an entrepreneur with planning and effort. 4. Answer the following questions. Describe the functions of an entrepreneur. Answer: An entrepreneur performs various functions like identifying business opportunities, arranging finance and resources, taking risks, making decisions, managing business activities, and leading the team to achieve goals. B. What are the qualities possessed by an entrepreneur? Answer: Qualities include creativity, confidence, risk-taking ability, leadership, decision-making, problem-solving, and clear communication. C. Why is it important to have entrepreneurs in our society? Answer: Entrepreneurs play a very important role in the development of our society. It helps in economic growth, creates job opportunities, promote innovation, improve living standards, and contribute to the overall development of the society. Thanks for watching with Power Brain TV. Please don't forget to subscribe.